Are you suffering from lethargy or lack of motivation, sluggishness, or tiredness? Are you having frequent infections like frequent colds, sneezing, or asthma? If you're trying endless things for weight loss and not seeing results, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel High on Health, wherein I believe in the power of natural healing through Ayurveda. In this video, I am going to show you how I have been able to help so many people with Kapha Prakriti or Kapha body type to lose weight, energize and improve immunity in just 1 month. Come, let's dive into it. This is a 7 days plan in which there is a series of 7 videos with curated plant-based meals. Every week, I'll share with you different recipes along with various lifestyle changes which are suited to your body type. This plan will improve your digestion and absorption of nutrients. Watch these till the end to change your body completely. Ayurveda means the science of life. It is a form of holistic medicine focused on promoting balance between the mind, body and soul. It is a 5,000-year-old ancient Indian medical science. According to Ayurveda, the whole universe is made up of 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air and space. These elements form 3 different doshas which are Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Each dosha is responsible for different structure and specific functions in the body. An Ayurvedic diet is a type of eating plan which sets guidelines for when, how and what you should eat based on your dosha or your body type. According to Ayurveda, food is medicine and medicine is food. When diet is wrong, medicine is of no use. When diet is right, medicine is of no need. In the last series, I shared with you 1 week Ayurvedic meal plan for Vata Pitta body type. In this series of videos, I am really excited to share with you Kapha Predominant plan. It's a 1 week Ayurvedic meal plan that can help you achieve optimal health and wellness. Now you might be wondering what exactly is Kapha Prakriti or Kapha body type. So Kapha body type is a body type which is cool, oily, stable, soft and heavy. So the plan that we are discussing has 60% of Kapha imbalance and 20% of each of Vata and Pitta imbalance. That is, it has predominantly Kapha imbalance of 60%. Kapha is made up of 2 elements, earth and water. Kapha is something which holds things together. When in balance, it gives support, stability and structure to our body. It governs the physical structure of our body, that is bones, muscles, body fat and all the structures. As I said, Kapha is made up of earth and water. The element earth makes Kapha slow and heavy. As we know, the earth rotates very slowly and is heavy in nature, thus Kapha people are heavy and slow. Whereas the water element makes them calm, cooling, gentle and flexible. Kapha people who are made up of earth and water are thus kind, calm, gentle, quiet, content with their surroundings, patient and compassionate. But they are resistant to change. They talk and move slowly. They don't get excited easily. They are cold, wet and heavy like a muddy slush like chikkad. They have more body mass and fat mass and more stability. It is always difficult for them to lose weight. With an imbalance of Kapha in your body type, you might feel heavy, dense, lethargic and unmotivated, unclear or foggy. When out of balance, Kapha people become shapeless like amoeba, become overweight, they have a sedentary lifestyle. They may have social isolation issues wherein they are not keen to meet new people. They might get a lack of motivation and a drop in ambition. So how do you balance your Kapha dosha? When you eat according to your body type, you will notice that you're eating less but you're feeling more satisfied. Because what you're eating is truly nourishing you. It eliminates the worry of what to eat and how much to eat. Kapha body type is a body type which is cool, oily, stable and soft. Thus, Kapha is pacified by practices which are exactly opposite to it, which is moving, dry and rough. When it comes to diet of Kapha, Primarily, make sure that you avoid overeating, avoid very heavy and oily meals. Also, make sure that you're not having too many sweet foods like grains. Grains do not form a regular part of kapha diet. Avoid consumption of alcohol. Also, make sure that you're eating warm foods instead of cooling foods, and also include bitter, pungent and astringent tastes. Fasting and intermittent fasting is very beneficial practice for kapha body type. But make sure that you do it under the guidance of someone qualified so that you don't feel weak and disturb your metabolism in the long run. By following this meal plan, you can nourish your body with wholesome and delicious meals that are tailored specifically to your body type. I have carefully crafted this plan to include a variety of nutrient-dense foods and spices that promote digestive health, reduce inflammation, improve immunity, and help you to lose weight. So whether you are new to Ayurveda or a seasoned practitioner, join me as I take you on a journey towards vibrant health and wellness. This series of the Balance Plan focuses on kapha pacifying diet plan without creating an imbalance of vata and pitta. Regular routine. Having a consistent daily routine is very important for your body type. Consistency in your daily habits like waking up, exercising, eating and sleeping at the same time every single day relaxes the body as well as mind. Make it practical and suit to your lifestyle, which is slow and steady, because kapha is really resistant to change in the habits and behaviors. Morning 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and evening 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. is the kapha predominant time of the day. So it is important to do anti-kapha activities at this time. Morning routine should be oil pulling, brushing your teeth, tongue scraping, doing pranayam and exercise first thing in the morning. Night routine should be brahmari and foot massage to get a good sleep. Exercise. Your body type has a tendency of sluggish metabolism, so daily exercise is really important. You have an impressive level of natural strength and stamina, both physically and mentally. But when it comes to being physically active, you may find yourself up against your own resistance, especially early in the day when kapha is predominant. Vigorous and challenging exercises are the best to activate the metabolic system for your body type. Even 15 to 20 minutes of rigorous exercise or 12 sets of sun salutation or Surya Namaskar can be energizing and improve the pitta and the energy and the fire element in your body. Or you could alternatively go for a run. You are capable of doing heavy exercises. Exercises such as hot yoga or boot camp are ideal. Along with it, active lifestyle is important, like walking to work or bike riding to work. Pranayam. Breathing exercises helps to maintain a steady rhythm of breathing, which in turn helps to control the thoughts and emotions. Even pranayam should be rigorous and heavy like Kapalbhati, Brahmari and Bhastrika. Now let's begin with the plan of day 1. As I said, I've given you only 2 meals. When you wake up in the morning, instead of breakfast, have herbal tea or bullet coffee. To start your day with the right kind of fats, vitamins and minerals, which is everything you need to kickstart the sluggish metabolism and stimulate your day. So today when we are doing day 1, I'll share with you the recipe of ghee bullet coffee. And tomorrow when we are doing day 2 or the next week when we are doing day 2, I'll share with you the recipe of herbal tea. Let's get started with the recipe of ghee bullet coffee. Boil a glass of water in a saucepan. Meanwhile, get the other ingredients ready. Now in a big steel or ceramic mug, make sure it's not plastic mug, add a teaspoon or 5 to 7 ml of A2 milk ghee. After this, add half teaspoon of instant coffee, or you can use freshly brewed coffee as well, and the hot boiling water. Now, with a handheld blender, blend this really well and start your day with a good source of healthy fat like ghee. This would help in weight loss to improve your blood sugar levels and reduce your sugar cravings. It helps to maintain the hormonal balance as well. It helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and also helps in maintaining good gut health. Pour the bulletproof coffee into a serving cup and drink it hot. Coffee, like everything else, has energy. It has three tastes which are bitter, astringent and sour. It is also energetic. That is, it gives a lot of energy. Addition of ghee to the coffee prevents vata and pitta imbalance. For lunch, let's make a super simple couscous salad which is made in an Ayurvedic way so that it balances and pacifies all your doshas. You don't need too much of preparation for this recipe. All you need to do is just chop the bell peppers and keep it aside. For the salad, you can also add pieces of corn, cucumber, green peas, lettuce. Now, in a pan, boil the water with salt. Add the raw couscous and cover it with the lid and leave it to the side for 5 minutes so that the couscous cooks in its own steam. Cover it and keep it aside. Meanwhile, in a separate pan, heat half teaspoon of olive oil and add the chopped bell peppers, pieces of corn, chopped lettuce and green peas. Mix it and keep it on low flame for 5 minutes. Now fluff the couscous grains with a fork and add it to the cooked vegetables. Mix it thoroughly and add the seasoning. Salt, black pepper, dried basil, oregano, dried Italian herbs, chopped coriander and some fresh lemon juice. Mix it all together and serve it warm. Grains should be used moderately for kapha body type. However, addition of vegetables and salad makes it kapha and pitta pacifying. Mildly cooking this recipe makes it pacifying for vata too. For dinner, let's make a hearty minestrone soup. Prior to making the soup, I've made some preparation. Yesterday, I've soaked the kidney beans overnight, and in the morning, while preparing for lunch, I just pressure cooked the kidney beans and also boiled the butternut squash until it was tender. And then make a paste of the boiled squash, soaked dates and tomatoes. Chop all the vegetables and keep the ingredients ready. In a large soup pot, heat olive oil on low flame and add bay leaf, chopped garlic, chopped onion and also chopped celery and saute it for 2 minutes until onions are transparent. Add chopped bell peppers and saute for 2 more minutes until the bell peppers are tender. Simmer it and cook it on low flame. Add chopped bell peppers and saute for 2 more minutes until the bell peppers are tender. Simmer it and cook it on low flame. Then add 2 cups of chopped vegetables and salt. Cover it with a lid for 10 minutes till all the vegetables are nice and tender. Thereafter, add the puree of tomato and butternut squash and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes more. Finally, we are going to add water and boiled kidney beans and continue simmering. Simmer it for 10 more minutes uncovered. Then add the seasoning of roasted cumin powder, black pepper powder, dried oregano and basil and some mixed Italian herbs. Add some fresh basil leaves and simmer for 5 more minutes. Switch off the gas and squeeze a fresh lemon juice and serve it hot. Kidney beans are a great source of plant protein and are pacifying for the kapha dosh.
They are high in essential minerals as well. Although it's very important to cook the beans properly to prevent vata imbalance.